Australia, it is currently winter, so a lot of people have been getting sick with colds and flus and fevers. I thought in today's video I would share the top 3 things I do when I'm sick. These 3 things work very well for me, and I actually got all 3 methods from both of my grandparents. Before I show all 3 methods, I will just say, in order to avoid being sick, you really do need to eat a healthy diet, you need to do regular physical activity, and you need to keep warm in winter. But if you still manage to get sick, even doing those 3 things, then here are 3 methods that really work for me to cure any cold very quickly. The first one is from my grandmother in Denmark, and she swears by ginger shots. Ginger has so many benefits, so I won't get into all the details, but it is known to help cure colds and flus, help digestion, and reduce nausea. So there's heaps of benefits from ginger. It's so healthy and strong and full of vitamins for you. My grandmother recommends boiling ginger chopped up finely with a lot of lemon juice. Lemon also has so many benefits I'm sure you're aware of. Putting that together and letting that sit for quite a while, and then I put a little bit of honey in it just to make it a little bit sweeter, and then I take a shot of that every morning to avoid getting sick in the first place. But if you are sick, I would definitely recommend taking one of those every single day until you're better. I will leave a link below to some good links that explain all the benefits of lemon and ginger so you realize how important it is and why it might help you get over a cold or flu. The next thing that really helps me, especially when I have a sore throat in particular, is to make honey and lemon tea. I simply squeeze a lot of lemon into boiling water and a lot of honey to sweeten it up, and I drink it while it's still quite warm. It really soothes my throat, and it's just so good and warm and sweet. I really like it, and as I said before, lemon has so many benefits, and my grandmother from Australia swears by this. And the third and final method that really helps me when I'm sick is to drink a shot of olive leaf extract every single day. Now, warning, it tastes horrific, but it's so good for you, and I'll leave a link below to all the amazing benefits of drinking olive leaf extract. But to quickly name a few benefits, it protects the body from viruses and bacteria, curing colds and flus, and the list goes on. Once again, my grandmother in Australia forces me to take this when I'm sick, so I purchased my own bottle, and anytime I'm feeling sick, I will definitely use these 3 things to the extremes until I'm better. But as I said before, to avoid getting sick in the first place, please just keep a healthy diet and move your body on a regular basis, and keep warm in winter. I find that I get sick so easily if I'm not wearing enough clothing when I'm outside. That was it for this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. It helps me out so much. And if you have any nice natural remedies for getting rid of colds and flus, please comment below, as I would love to know more ways to get better when sick, because a lot of people have been getting sick here this winter, and I think it's just spreading around, so it's good to spread a message of how to cure that or avoid it in the first place. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!